Who is your daddy and what does he do? Put that cookie down! Now! I'll be back. This is an arrest. You lack discipline. You son of a bitch. Who is your daddy and what does he do?
Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful Friday. SFP Donald Trump tweeting on our heads this morning. Did you catch it? Put a 1 in the chat if you caught that long. You were ready for the tweet. You're ready for the twat. You're ready to make some money. Honey, what's going on, everybody? Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful Friday morning. Thank you so much for being here and supporting the channel, and let's get into the charts. Good morning, gang. Good. I am long. Half a position size. Let's see if we can do it, baby. Let's see if we can do it. Come on, inflation data. Come on, baby. Let's see if we can do it. How are we all doing this morning? Thank you, everybody, for being here. Nice little SFP this morning, everybody. Look at all these amazing people. My God, who is your daddy and what does he do? Stop whining. Stop whining. Okay? Stop whining. I'm a copy you idiot. Too good.
You lack discipline.
we haven't had Arnold on the show for quite a while, so I think some days I want to surprise you.
I'm a cop, you idiot.
All right. So here I am, having fun, because trading's stressful. So it's good to be here. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're all having a wonderful morning. Caught the Donald Trump tweet. This is my new strategy, man. Orange man tweets. That is it. That is the only way. That is how you make money in this beautiful, beautiful market. This is never financial advice. I'm just some hobbit who clicks buttons here. I was in a conversation with a couple people yesterday, and they're like, "What do you do for a living?" I'm like talk shit and press buttons, man. That's it. That's it. I don't know. What do you guys say when you're a day trader? Okay, I'm a day trader. Is that what you say? I'm a day trader. I say I work from home. I do financial non-education. Let me know in the chat. What do you say to people when they ask you what do you do for a living and you're a day trader? It's not easy, is it? What's going on, Jesse, Salah, Hammy, Ryan, everything? Good morning, guys. Good to see you. Make sure you guys got your coffee. Decrypto, Vinoid, Michael, Alexandra, Sharkman, what's going on, Steve, Gear, John Dooch, Crypto Assassin, good morning. Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing well. Let me pull up some of the levels here, guys. Can't be trading in the dark, guys. It's never a good idea. You're gonna get wrecked. So let's pop it off here. So we're ready. VWAP reclaim continuation trade here. Trying to push. We'll see if it does. I don't know. Sometimes when you take those trades in the morning, it's kind of like maybe you should just take the money, quick $300 to start the day. I don't know though. What if inflation goes to Valhalla? Should we just take? I think maybe we just take another 100 out. Yeah, we take half. You ever use this thing to find out where like 200 is? 200's here, 300's here, 500's here. Okay. So I'd take half around here. See how quick I am? See? You got to be fast if you want to be a scalper. Anyways. Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for being here, Ryan. Good morning. Good to see you, man. Coinbase going down in 2 more hours, right? 4 hours maintenance. Jeez. Great. John Dutch. Good morning, Crypto Assassin. Good to see you guys. Good morning to the family, the gang. Paper Planes, my man. Steve Hickey, Keen Bean, Shree N. Good morning, Andrew Cameron. What's going on, the adventures? Good to see you, JB. Thank you, everybody, for being in here. Paper Planes, Chantel. Good to see you guys. Happy Friday. Bonjour. Comment ça va? Mortimer Duke, how's it going? Mahaba. Blue Collar Trader, Steve Hickey, Southern Stacker, Jesse. What's going on, Mandera? Good morning, good to see you. Thank you for being here, everybody. How we all doing? Alexander G, Mark Gustafson, you guys are great. Thank you guys for being here. Jet Fleet, good morning to you, man. Southern Stackers, Spicy Sushi, Steve Hickey, Farhad. What's going on, everybody? The news crew. Arnold, get down. Stop whining. Muckin. Schwarzenegger was born 20 minutes from my hometown. That's awesome, man. Castile, Jesse, Mikey, Pat. Good morning, guys. Good to see you, French Toaster. My man, Albert. Thank you guys for being here. Southern Stacker, Mr. C. What's going on, Crypto Vol, Quick Smoker? Al Jr. This money flow on higher time frames has me thinking higher lows and higher highs, baby. Let's go. Al Jr. is excited, everybody, if you couldn't tell. Shubham, Juka, Namaste. What's going on, man? JR, my brother. What's going on, man? How you doing, Ryan Nielsen? See, I still love JR, even though McDavid re-signed with the Oilers. Alex Moto, MTB. What's going on from Ireland? I never got over to Ireland when I lived in the UK for 2 years, so it's on the list, man. It's on the list. Maybe if Conor McGregor becomes your prime minister, then I would come. I'd come. You think it's going to happen? I think it might happen, man. Richard Wells, John K., good morning. John Foster Crypto, man. You must be making money off that Ta coin. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Turbo Cummins. He's coming, man. Bit Defender update. It's defending me, guys. Mr. Cummins, you're a lurker. He even got Cummins in his name. Interesting. Mooncat, lurker. Michael Catwright, lurker. Jason Becker, lurker. The Enlightened Goat, lurker. Kyle, behave yourself, you beautiful human. Oh, Kyle. Guys, if you didn't know, Kyle is one of our amazing traders in our Discord. He also has a community of his own. He also has a live stream that he does. He is also a great friend of mine, and I've been to his house and had dinner and broken bread with his family. He's one of my best friends in the cryptoverse. Okay? Everybody, Kyle. Go and follow Kyle, first and foremost. With 50 gifted memberships, because why not? I should be giving you money, Kyle. Remember. What is going on? Did you break my chat? My whole my whole computer's frozen. Why is my whole computer frozen? Ho, what a lag spike. Did you guys just see that? Are we back? Can you put a 1 in the chat if we're back? Holy smokes. Are we good? Did you guys just feel that? It felt like an earthquake just hit I just got a beep, 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 beep and everything, man. Bitdefender updated. Oh, my security updated, so you guys can't get into my computer. Gonna hit the TP on Bitcoin here. Take another 100 out, and then we're gonna recognize Kyle. Okay? Come on. It's still working, right? We're still good here? We're still happy friends? All right? Caught the SFP this morning. All right, we're back. Whew. They got me a little puckered this morning. Kyle, God bless you, bro. Thank you so much. Everybody go and follow Kyle, first and foremost. But we got Lurker, DV Lurker. I just asked, the only thing, I'm calling you a lurker if you are new here, is you got to say good morning, man. That's the only thing, man. Just say good morning. Don't be weird. Kai, good morning, Jabs. Lurker. Pratochka. Good morning, bro. Hasty. Good morning, Honda Man. Lurker. Andrew Rutledge, good morning. I've seen you here now. Fortis, good morning. East Coast, Lurker. Jordan, Lurker. Grant Sampson, Lurker. Lil Juan, Lurker, man. Little Juan, Bam, Lurker. Jesus saves. I'm even going to call Jesus a lurker right now. Anzo. Jesus would say hello, though, you know. I think he'd say hello. Lurker. Judge Bibles. Bibbles or Bibles? Do you not know how to spell? I'm very poor at spelling as well. Tonka, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. Andrea, good to see you. VW John, good to see you. Mr. Boot, Lurker. Eric, Lurker. Lurker. Post, good to see you, man. How you doing? Vincent, Lurker. Prakoshi, good to see you as well. Lurker. Hey, Jenny, Lurker. Fib, Lurker. Slavo, Lurker. Oh, man. Tony, Brandon, Ganero, VPin, Lurkers, Archie TV, Lurker, Nick Bam, Lurker, Jam, Lurker, Crunk, Lurker, Adam D, Lurkers, man. Just lurking on your wanking chariot, sitting there with your big box of tissues all over the floor. You were here the whole time? It was working the whole time? My whole thing froze on me. Make a few hundred before you even finish your morning coffee. It's got to be a good day. I mean, I have been awake I actually woke up late today. I woke up very late today. My wife actually helped wake me up. I've been awake for an hour, and I've made $200 today. Take that. Take that, Earth. Earth algorithm. I've conquered the Earth algorithm. All right. That's weird. So we're going to go to Kyle's channel here, guys. We're going to do a giveaway. This guy can't. We're going to do a giveaway at the end of the stream when we have lots of people on here, and we're going to go and pump his channel. Rookie numbers. We're going to go and give him the skis. We're going to give you the double dutching skis. Okay, we're going to go over this video on how to call the top. Watch out. He's got Kramer in his background, guys. Kramer's back here. Watch out, man. Kramer is... How do you have and I've been in the studio, guys. I've been in his studio. How the heck did... This is definitely a mobile Halloween thing. He's got Kramer. He's got Kramer. In his damn studio, man. This guy crazy. Kyle, you're creative, bro. I love you, buddy. We're going to pump your numbers today. We're going to do this video. We're going to do the Otter Gang giveaway for a membership. Who would have thought? Who would have thought, man? Crazy. Can't believe you got Kramer. It's a full-on, like, that thing's got to be like 6 feet tall, bro. We got 14 minutes till CPI, right, guys? Is that where we're at? Oh, little man's crying. Aw. Can you guys hear my boy cry right now? I don't know if my mic picks it up. I think you guys can. He's got the voice of an angel, but when he cries, my God, he's loud. No. Oh, that's interesting. I can definitely hear him. I believe it's at 6:30, right? Mountain time is Mountain time is UTC -6 or -7? It's normally 8:30, right? It's normally 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. See, I moved. UTC -5. UTC -5 is Eastern Standard Zone. That's so 7:30. Am I wrong here? Is it in 13 minutes, everybody? It should be in 13 minutes, correct? It's going to be at 8:20 EST. 13 minutes, right? Yeah. VWAP slap here. What's going on, Piper? Good to see you. It's 8 feet tall. I had to remove the actual head of the troll to replace it with a different troll. Kramer. 8 feet tall, bro? That's 2 of me. That's 2 of me, man. We got 12 minutes, everybody. See? I told you I knew. Sorry, I moved to the mountains, okay? I moved to the mountains. And I'm adjusting to the time zones, okay? So we're UTC -6 here. Guys, it's 6:30 in the morning here. Don't hate, okay? Can you believe that I get up every morning, 5, to come and hang out with you guys? Every morning, I get up at 5 to hang out with you guys. What the fuck? Can you believe that? Oh, man. So chopping the WAP. We're in the long. We've taken 200 out to start the day. And we'll, Piper needs data. Piper is dying. Did you, Wick's wife, did you see I found a picture of Piper. I found a picture of Piper looking for data the other day. I was just searching. There's Piper here. Piper is looking for data for the last like 3 weeks. He's found some dinosaur bones and VWAP slab here. No trade if you're coming into the news right now. Like you had the Donald Trump tweet this morning. Okay, Donald Trump tweet SFP, took the SFP this morning. Very simple strategy. SFP closed back within the range. Continuation up. Okay, so we'll see if this holds. I'll probably get stopped out. Glad I took the 200 out to start the day. Nice SFP. Close back within the range. Up we go. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Another nice day for starting off with $200. Coming into the news event, what are we looking for here, guys? So obviously with news, let's refresh. So with news, everybody, you typically get it at 8:30. So you get volatility and then you get sideways. So you go pop, 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 pop. Then you get boop and then market open. Okay. So if you do not catch this area in here, waiting through this flat zone after the volatility sucks. Okay, it sucks. So we do trade news. We are the FOMC master of disaster. However, you must most likely get a good entry. We'll see if we get it. But be prepared. Okay, be prepared for volatility. Probably going to get stopped out here on my long. Very overextended on Bitcoin. Nice climb up for the Asians again. The Asians just got their money out. Look at the wallet. They got the wallet out here. They got the wallet out here. They didn't come back for the liquidity fully yesterday, so I would expect it today, guys, for a little bit of a sweep down. Looking at this coming into market open and what we should expect for a Friday, okay? The good thing is that a lot of our higher term time frame stuff has turned up. Okay, so what we're looking at here is a nice trigger wave on the 12-hour. Money flows coming back into the market. Okay. Just looking at some market cipher stuff. So trigger wave coming back into the market. Our daily has bottoming structure. Okay, you can see stochastics turning up, you can see VWAP turning up, and you can see momentum and money flow turning up. So everything here is turning up. That means we're looking for a higher low, right? Higher low continuation. Okay, doesn't mean we're out of the woods yet. Okay, everybody's like, oh, the bottom's in. Do you guys think? Put a 1 in the chat if you think the bottom's in. Not the liquidation wick. Okay, don't be smart with me. Okay, I see you. Okay, we look at the 8-hour. The money flow is still coming out quite aggressively. This does concern me with VWAP overextended. Okay, concerning. Stochastic looks good. The 4, the 3, the 2, the 1 are getting overextended again. Okay, what happened last time? Got rejected. Okay, so if this, then that, be prepared. The 2-hour overextended, the hourly overextended, triple top, right? So we can see here we've pushed, right? So maybe if we get an SFP, we're coming back here. Okay, that's the thing. If we get an SFP bearish divergence, right? Boop, like that and like that. We're coming back here. All this liquidity. Because this is ugly here. Okay. This is ugly here. We got long down here on Solana in our community. Breakout, retest, continuation. Breakout, retest, continuation. So can we continue to climb this ladder? We'll see. Our target's up high, so that we are aware, is 116. Okay. Yes, we are looking to come for this high here, but we're really looking to come for this high here. A massive amount of volume here from 116 to 118, guys. This is your dead cat bounce zone. Okay? Be prepared. Don't get overly bullish. Be aware-ish, okay? Be reactive. Be prepared, okay? They're not going to make it easy. I'm telling you, they're not. Do you think they're going to make it easy? Do you see this wick, guys? Okay, remind yourselves where we're at. We're in a range right now. We're getting acceptance into this range. Okay, you see this range right here? This is one range. This is another range. Okay, This is the speed zone we talked about the other day, the speed zone. Okay. So we're getting acceptance into this range, which means we're looking to rotate to 114,000. That's it. We're looking to rotate there. If we lose this range, if we lose 110, then we're looking to rotate back down to the lows at 107 again. Shitty, isn't it? Okay. I'm swearing again too much, guys. I'm swearing again too much. And you can see this clearly defined by volume. Okay, if this, then that. Be prepared. So that's how I'm preparing. I'm looking for continuation until proven otherwise. We're in an uptrend right now, and we're trying to push up. Looking at our 24 here. What we can't see is we're getting a 24-hour trigger wave. So this is a little bit. This is kind of why I longed. Money flow turning up. VWAP coming up. Bullish divergence possibly on a shorter term time frame, right? There we go, right? Trying to push and go. So we'll see. We're long from here. We've taken 75% of it out, so I'm not really care if we get stopped out. This does look a little bit toppy. You got bear div here, boop, boop. Bear div here, SFP coming back down, rotation into the lows in here. VWAP is above us, or we're right at VWAP, so we could chop this today. But I would expect some sort of liquidity grab today because we didn't get one yesterday. We just had chop and then continuation from Asia, right? But we did not get any liquidity swept like we wanted to see this swept. It didn't, up only. So I would like to see something along that line. We'll see what we get. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We're about to take in the news. Smashing up like button, subscribing if you're new. We're going to do a 1-month membership giveaway today at the end of the stream. Okay? At the end of the stream, we'll do a giveaway because we feel generous today. 370 people in here and only 100 likes, so I don't know if we're doing that giveaway now. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Helping you guys navigate these charts, taking trades with you guys, showing you guys the trades. Never financial advice. I'm just a hobbit in Canada with a polar bear. Okay, that's it. Pet polar bear, come and get my ledger, baby. And we'll see how this goes. It's been a while since we took in some news together, guys. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. So thank you guys for being here and saying good morning. Smacking up like buttons. What's going on, Army Piper? Good to see you. Kyle with the 50. God bless you, bro. We all got sound. Sounds like it's the volume okay? Am I just too loud? Auto adjust your time zone, I think. Yeah. I'm fresh, man. Probably going to get stopped out right here. Quick 200 to start the day. Could I get some GGs in the chat or what? Like, come on. We doing it. We showing you. It's probably just going to go up from here. We'll look to take another trade, obviously. This is just a nice start to the day. This is my life force, and I have been starved. That's Army Piper. Piper's wanking chair is going to explode this morning, guys. The SFP you caught this morning looks like you got in pretty low on it. What was your signal to enter while on the same candle as the SFP? It was definitely the retest of the lows, my friend. The up only. Anticipation. I saw the dump into VWAP. It stalled out. If we go into like 30 seconds, maybe we can see it. Yeah. So I saw a dump into VWAP. It stalled out. I was looking at the low, standard deviation 1. It stalled out, and I was like, okay, no trade. Still waiting. And then it came down to retest the highs. And I was like, okay, there it is. Pop, up you go. So I waited here, and then I executed here. Here's your news. Piper. Why isn't it loading? Are they just not used to it or what? It's supposed to be out. I guess they're not used to loading news anymore. Hello, news. 1 minute. 1 minute. All's well. I have real evidence of Piper on his wanking chariot. Crypto Assassin donated this one this morning. Oh my god, look at that thing. It's splooshin', man. That's quite the wanking chariot you got going on here. He put my name on it though. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. You guys are creative. I love it, man. Dump, pump, push. Here we go. Valhalla. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Coming in. Perfect. I'm long, by the way. I'm up another 300. I will take that and I will run. Thank you very much. Come again, Donald Trump. You can take my money. Up $400, everybody. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, what a beautiful start to the day. I haven't even stretched. Okay, the data is in. And we are all pre-rich, everybody. Core inflation came down. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Core inflation coming down. Inflation rate coming down. U.S. inflation rate coming down. Deflation, baby. Rate cuts. Rate cuts. No? We got rate cuts coming? Let's go, baby. We're going to Valhalla. A quick 4:30 today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, man. Oh, man. Good times, man. Piper, how excitable are you now? Are you excitable? Is that the word? We can go over. Sorry, guys. Flashbang. Bam. All right. 96.7% opportunity in less than 5 days, guys. We getting a rate cut, guys. Inflation coming down across the board. Bullish, baby. Bullish. Let's go. Otter gang. We're back. We're back, baby. Let's go. This is incredible. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Well, now we wait. Here's the volatility. Remember, volatility, cool off, right? Volatility, cool off. So let it occur. Don't FOMO in at the top. You're looking for possible retest back in here. So we're looking for possible retest back in here. Continuation. This is a big. What did we say right before this? What did we not want to see? A big SFP, correct? Are we correct on that? What did we say? We do not want to see a big SFP. What do we have? What do we have right here, guys? What is this? Can we all put it in the chat so we all understand? Maybe you need to type it out. We do not want to see a what? Now, what do we have? Okay. Do the 4 elements beatbox, but you're still not ready for the 4 elements. Earth. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Wind. fire. Ow, 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 ow. So good, man. Back in the day. Love that stuff, man. All right. Late bull market is much less fun than early bull market. I agree, Wick. It's we've all been. Love the thank God for the mute button when you beatbox. Oh, well, I'm glad you stick around even though you don't like the beatbox, man. What kind of music do you like, Brackish? Everybody, what is your can you do the Snoop hotbox? I mean, beatbox? Yeah, man. I'm country, YMCA, metal. I used to sing in a metal band. That's funny. In high school. You take a wanted man, do do do, do do do, boom 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 boom, and put him in control. Watch him become a god. Watch people's heads roll. Boom 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 boom. All right, there you go. Yeah, we can go there too, man. We can go. I mean, I streamed for 3 years with, not that Tool is a heavy metal band, but I streamed with a Tool hoodie on for 3 years, guys. I'm gonna wash that thing still. Do you play instruments? Yeah, I'm a professional skin flute player. No, I'm joking. Oh, man. I played bass. I don't play bass anymore, though. I played bass for like 7 years in high school. And, I mean, then you play a little bit of everything. Drums, whatever, right? Beatboxing, all that fun stuff. Wow. Okay, so nice pump. So now, like, I'm not forcing this thing. This looks bullish. Okay, let's be real. This looks bullish. But let's not force it. Okay, I want to take a trade today. Same as Jason Casper, yeah. Yeah, Casper was in a band. Tool's the best, yeah. Lamb of God. Lamb of God's okay. Yeah, Dave Mustaine, yeah, for sure, man. Megadeth. I listen to everything. Like, mostly I listen to 90s hip hop. That's my happy zone. Like Illmatic, like Wu-Tang, Biggie. Just the beats, man. It's just so chilling. Like the right? I live in the 90s hip hops, man. That's what I grew up with. Some Pac, whatever. But I listen to everything. I can go country. I can go Shania Twain, guys. I can go Backstreet Boys. Guys, I love old school music. So like Ray Orbison, Chuck Berry. Chuck Berry is so good, guys. My wedding song was Elvis. All right. Wise man say. Anyways, I go everywhere, man. I used to rave, so I can go Beastie. Yeah, I can go Beastie or Prodigy. I love my little boy loves Prodigy. Boom 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 boom. If you can't enjoy different genres of music, there's different genres for different things, you know what I mean? Fire starter, right? That's the one, man. right? Like, don't limit yourself, man. Yeah. You can go Alan Jackson. It was painted red. The stripe was white. It was 18 feet from bow to stern line. I can go country, man. It's all good. It's all good. It's all relevant to your mood, to how you feel. Music is beautiful, man. Smack my bitch up, right? Please don't. Right? Oh man. We need an entry. Like I said, we're waiting for this to cool off, right? So birds flying high, you know how I feel. I'm not a singer, guys. Go to Trader Geo if you want that. Tutti frutti on route. Tutti frutti. Bop. Yeah, we do it all, man. Little man loves Iron Maiden. Like I love Iron Maiden. Like Wasted Years and like The Trooper and like all that. Like we used to cover The Trooper in my band as well. I could hit those notes back in the day. I just my balls hadn't dropped when I was 14, so I could hit those high notes. But my son liked to like he loves the he like that gets my little boy like 14 months. He's just like he loves it, man. So good. So good. Fear of the dark, man. Yeah, so good. Fear of the dark. Your son was born with a mohawk, listens to Iron Maiden. I'm noticing a trend here. That's the one. Kyle, I was born with a mohawk too, man. It's weird. Like my baby pictures, I'm like same with my son. Just the full mohawk of hair right here. Like that's it, man. Nothing on the sides, guys. Wild. Kyle saw firsthand. It's so crazy. Everybody go over to Kyle. Now that we're waiting for price action, we're going to do the giveaway. Go over to Kyle. Comment Otter Gang on this video, and we'll pick a winner. Because you guys are cool, man. Go over here, like it, comment Otter Gang. Otter Gazang. Guys, can we get this guy to 7,000 subscribers, please? If we get him to 7,000 subscribers, I'll give away a 2-month membership. A 2-month membership. I'll take you to Christmas, baby. And that's the gang. This is the best Discord in all crypto, man. 7 traders. Constant barrage of alpha. What is the news? The news was inflation data. And inflation is coming down, which is bullish. Go over here. Subscribe to Kyle.
Okay, we're going to go through.
He's got Jim Cramer in the background. He's got a beautiful face. He's a very good technical analysis. He turned, what was it, $20 into $1.3 million or something crazy like that, guys. The guy knows how to trade, okay? He knows how to trade. Bitcoin chopping here. So retest to previous highs, continuation up here. Still not in a trade. Into 40 Bitcoin. There you go. That's it. Do the math, guys. 1 + 1 is 40 in his case, okay? 1 + 1 is 40. French toaster can turn $20 into 7. Go over here, comment Otter Gang, and subscribe to Kyle. Otherwise, you're a weirdo. Can we get him to 7K? I don't think we have that superpower,
Okay.
bro. $6.99. Come on, guys. This is not $6.99. This is not a convenience store. We're not trying to mark up the price here. We're trying to get $7 flat. Come on. Then he's going to go live. He's going to show you all his secrets. We'll do 2 months if you get to 7 here. Come on, guys. You could do it. Go get your grandma's account and subscribe to Kyle. I would not send you to people who are not good traders. I can't stand people who are bad traders. Okay? They're there for your commissions. They want you to join their trading group. They want you to use their affiliate links. I don't want you to do any of that. You can join the trading group if you want. It's the best. I don't give a shit if you don't. I raise the prices so you don't join my trading group. Okay? My trading groups was free for 2.5 years. Anyways, I won't go there. I don't want to go there today. It's Friday. It's a happy day. We're up $400. Who gives a shit? We're waiting for consolidation continuation here. Looking at Solana. Woof. Yeah. Big sweep. Big sweep retest. Big sweep retest. This trapping longs in my opinion right now. No trade. Still waiting here. Come down for some order blocks. Definitely. VWAP slap. I'd say they would trap you here. They'd slap VWAP and push up. So I'd be looking for this. If we're going to continue here. The concern is the SFP. We talked about this right at the beginning of the stream. We do not want to see an SFP rejection. What does that mean? That means bearish divergence that put the highs. Liquidity has been swept. Sweep liquidity. Bearish divergence. Rotation back down to where the bearish divergence started. So that means we would recover all the way back down to 108. 108.8-ish. Okay. So we still remain patient here, in my opinion. I know you wanted to catch the long. No trade. Everybody go over here. 2 months membership if we get to 7K here. Up 2K overnight. Saw a perfect cup and handle. What? I've never traded one of those in my life, but I'm glad it worked for you. I'd like to see where the perfect cup and handle was. Perfect. Guys, where's the perfect cup and handle? This maybe? You get long here, you're wrecked on this guy. Here? I mean, I could draw a cup. The problem is like, what's your interpretation of a cup and handle, man? I could draw one of these. I could draw these at the tops for sure. Look at this. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. By the top. That's my problem. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You know? To me, that's a top buying pattern. Too far? I don't think so. Oh no, Kool-Aid, man. Big SFP here coming down. Liquidity has been swept. Concerning. Concerning to say the least. It's a cup hard to handle, man. Alex, oh, mug. Handles to the downside. Guys, now you're just confusing me. Alex looks for measured moves when his wife goes to bed. There is no measured move, bro. I'm too short for a measured move, Dave. I'm too short for a measured move. Did we get 7,000 on Kyle, guys? Yeah, let's go. Otter gang. Look at the gang coming out. Kyle for mayor. Make sure you guys check out Kyle, man. He's an absolute beast of a trader. He's a good friend of mine. He's in our Discord. He has his own Discord. I suggest you just join both. I mean, you'll get both alphas. Alphas and the omegas, man. Kyle's a great trader. 7K. Let's go. Let's do a giveaway, man. And then let's get into trading, because that's what we're here for. Okay, comment picker. I'm getting pretty efficient at this. Okay, comment picker. Otter. Look at that. It even knows me. All right. 20 seconds. What's 2 and 2? We said 2 and 2 is 40, didn't we? 1 plus 1 is 40. Kyle? If you are a Discord member, we will give you USDT as well. All right. So let's get this party started. Do you want me to beatbox or do you want me to sing Angel of Death? Motion in the ocean. Come over to the Discord. Otter gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Winner, winner, GG's, bro. Congratulations on your win, man. Thank you, everybody, for supporting Kyle. Come over to the Discord, Motion in the Ocean, man. And imagine Megadeth otters. You guys are so good, man. You guys are so quick with it, man. You take a mortal man. Let's go. Oh man, come over and claim your prize, man. We'll hook you up with some Discord love, man. God bless you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. The best Discord in all of crypto. 7 traders. The Mag 7. Okay, it's the Mag 7, helping you navigate the charts. We got a plethora of traders, so welcome, bro. And hopefully we can help you on your trading journey. Hopefully we can help you on your trading journey. Cool stuff. Okay, so we're waiting here. We have the SFP, which is concerning trapping trades at the top. We're here live every single day and helping you navigate these charts. It's never financial advice. We are long off Donald Trump's tweet. We pushed up. We took profits. Now we're just waiting. Okay, so consolidation at the top after an SFP typically results in downwards price action. Okay, so if you didn't short here, it's okay. If you didn't long here, we're in the middle of the range. Okay, so we wait for that. We have the NASDAQ pushing up. Very nice push. Okay, continuation here, looking good. Inflation coming down. We got a little bit of a flaccid rollover here on our S&P. However, we will look for a big old gap to the upside this morning after the beautiful inflation data coming out. Okay, Solana, chop, ETH, chop. Okay, so SFPs all around, which in my experience means we're bearish divergence. So whenever you see a divergence, 3 drives, SFP bearish divergence, you're typically looking to recover to where it started. So if you got high, low, high, you're looking to return back to where it started. Basic rule, okay? So we could be rolling over here. So be patient. Don't be FOMOing in at the top. They want you to buy here. You are better than that. Okay? So we watch that. We watch that for now. A little bit of patience. Taking trades, showing you guys the trades every single day. Hopefully helping you guys here. Making crypto honest again. That's what it's all about, man. You don't need to use the sign-up links. You don't need to use my exchanges. You don't need to join the Discord. You just need to come here and hang out and say good morning. That's the only thing I really actually ask of you, is to come here and say good morning. You can choose to like the video if you want. We got 420 people in here. I'm grateful for you guys showing up and hanging out with me, but at the end of the day, trading's lonely. I'll be fine without you. I've been trading full-time for over 2 years now, so I'll be okay, guys. I'll be okay, man. Currently compounding, we started with a $14,000, $15,000 account, compounded it. It's at $87,000 or something right now. So in the last 4 months. We're doing good. I'm happy. And that's US dollars, man. That's like 200,000 Canuck bucks, man. Canadian dollar is so weak. So, we'll be okay. But I like showing you guys what I know and how I do it. And hopefully you guys can learn something and build a life of financial freedom for yourself. Don't need to be here. I choose to be here. I like being here with you guys and hanging out. Trading's lonely and hard. What I will ask of you is to manage your risk. Be patient. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be trolling me, man. I kick your ass so fast out of this place. It's not even funny, man. Mute me if you don't like my beatboxing, right? That was the best, man. I love that. I like your trading, but shut the up with the beatboxing. Thank you for being here, bro. So welcome. Thank you guys for being here and subscribing and hanging out, man. Let's see how this goes. A little bit of patience here. Rolling over order block VWAP slap coming into this 855. Thank you everybody for being here and supporting the channel. Solana rolling back into the range here. Yeah. Nice move on Sol, man. Sol's been printing for us for quite some time, man. The Discord has been on fire with the Sol train. It's the most fun I can have. VW John, man. God bless you. Thank you for being here. King Future, good morning. Thank you for being here. Dragonfly, Barbalicious, good morning. Good to see you. As is, good morning. Yeah, good patience here, guys. Like good discipline. And if you didn't take the trade up at the highs here and you didn't get long, congratulations. You're patient. You've done a good job, right? That's why we zoom out. We understand that this is a threat to this, right? We understand that this is a threat to this, right? If we've swept liquidity out of here, we're either going to come back and be range bound, or we're coming for these guys down here. We've done a job here, right? The job has been done. Liquidity has been swept out of our look left confluence, okay? Look at that. They took almost a perfect high here. It's kind of eerie, isn't it? If we just looked at this guy right here, right? We got rid of all the Etch-a-Sketch, right? Almost tapped it. Sufficient, right? Nice. So we wait here. We've done top-down analysis. What we can see is that the hourly, the 3-hour, the 4-hour, that's a little bit overextended. So, but the 12-hour looks juicy. The daily looks juicy. The 3-day looks juicy, guys. Ooh, those higher term time frames starting to turn it up, man. Woo. Ooh. Don't get too excited. We are still Steve Ruglin right now, okay? The biggest problem with people, I think, in crypto is crypto dumps 50% and then it recovers 10% and people are hyper bullish here. They're like, oh my God, we're going back up. And it's like, bro, you're not even halfway back. Okay? So let's not put on our hopium slippers. Let's try to be level-headed. We are still range-bound, okay? When we look at this, we are still very much range-bound. What do I mean? Okay, so zoom out, take a look. Top-down analysis is your best friend. If you can't do that, that's what you got to focus on. You have to understand, where are you, right? If you are lost in the charts, you need to be able to say, hey, man, where am I at, right? Everybody on Twitter drawing triangles and whatever, right? Whatever they're into. Here's your triangle. Where are we? But if we look at volume, we can see very simply we are in lows, highs. You don't even need volume to tell you this. It just helps a little bit, okay? Lows and highs, right? And if you do lose this area, where are you coming back to? Lows and highs, okay? So 2 ranges here we can take advantage of. Hopefully we rotate to the top of this range. But we're very overextended. What is this? This is on a higher term time frame. This is up only. That means we need to come back for liquidity. And we need to continue. If we want this to be constructive and healthy price action, we want to see nice constructive price action. We don't want to see just go up like that. What happens when it goes just up? It comes right back down. Okay, we want to see strength. What happens when we see strength? What do we see here? All the way up, right? We see this strength. On the way out, you see higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Strength, then boom, okay? Now we top, right? We want to see strength. But consistent strength, not just this little hopium blip in the chart, okay? If this, then that. Prepared traders are profitable traders. So we have our areas, we have our key levels of support and resistance, and we're ready, right? This looks like an etch-a-sketch piece of junk, but when we zoom in, it's pretty obvious. We know where we're at. We know what we're trying to trade, and we're trying to take advantage of price action with high probabilities. That's it. So thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Hopefully we can help you navigate these charts. It's almost 9 o'clock. We check our hourly at 9 o'clock, right? We get a candle print. We get to see. Oh, confirm green dot. Oof, we'll see. Right? Confirm green dot. Trying. It's trying, man. We'll see. There you go. Confirm green dot. Does that mean anything? Not really, guys. It's so with market cipher, I do not trade dots, okay? Do not trade dots. We trade VWAP posturing. What do I mean by that? So you can see we have a green dot here. When do we get posturing on VWAP? Okay, so we got green dot here. We get positive posturing here. Where would you rather get long? 1 or 2? I would rather get long on 1. Okay. There's tricks to market cipher. We have lots of tricks on that. If you do want to see it, it's in the Discord. Okay. Consolidation in here. No trade. Still waiting. NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ we look to revisit halfway down the candle. SPY is going to gap up. I'm not sure where. Let's just guess. Looking good coming into market open. I got to get some more coffee, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Chopping. Remember we said volatility, right? Volatility, wee. And then boop. So we're in the boop stage. We'll see if we get any. Now the beatbox is legendary. Thank you. What's going on, Mel? Good to see you. I messaged you, Mel. I think you got my message. Village Stream, just a sub. Felipe, Harp, good morning. Good to see you. Paul Caruso. Does the 12-hour look juicy or moist? Okay, let's take a look. So the 12-hour. What's nice and moist about it? Okay. So juicy is the anchor trigger wave and the VWAP and the money flow crossover. The moist part about it, Paul, would be that your VWAP's overextended and can roll over here, right? The other thing that's quite juicy is that you've made a higher high on stochastics. So you've actually put in a high here. Okay. But the moist part would definitely be VWAP and a potential anchor trigger wave coming down. If that VWAP pulls, see, this is the hard part, right? Money is the big tell though. Money is the big tell. You can see money's working its way up. VWAP's a little bit tricky sometimes, right? So as long as this VWAP doesn't pull this trigger wave down, it's looking juicy, not moist. But always be aware of the moist part of the signal. How's that, Paul? Did I nail it for you, bro? I think I nailed it for you, man. You should make a juicy, moist video. That was very educational. If you know, you know, man. Going skateboarding in a bit? Nice, man. Where are you going to go skate? What's your go-to trick, man? What's your go-to trick? What's your, like, there's a hot chick over there and I'm going to do a trick. And I know I'm going to stomp it and it's going to look sick. What is that trick? Mine's straight up every time impossible. Like, I can impossible every time, man. Half cab, nose stall, revert. Varial heel flip every time. Varial heels are nice because it's just like, blah. It's blah. I got an impossible unlock. So easy. That back foot, just a whoosh, whoosh. That back foot. Or a nollie backside big spin. You bring me in You give me a hip. Oh man, nollie backside big spin. I popped that thing so high. Ooh wee. Pop shove it tail grab off a kicker. Like 7 decks, guys. Pop shove it tail grab. Ooh, ooh baby. All right, pushing here. This looks good. Half cab heel flip like fakie. Half cab. Fakie half cab heel flips. It's just like the way it flows is really nice. Front foot impossible is legendary. Yeah, it's a weird trick. I don't have the ankle strength for that anymore, man. I was ollieing like 5-6 decks when I was a kid, but I'm probably ollie 3 now. Nice little boned. Man, everybody's yelling at me this morning, guys. How high do you think Sol will go if it goes on a pump? Well, Sol needs to get through 200, like that psychological 197, I believe the number is for Sol. Yeah, 197 to 200. This is a big level of resistance. Solana's very comfortable between 197 and 180. Okay, this is its comfort zone for Solana. So Sol's not going to do much until we want to go to Valhalla, okay? Ethereum has to lead. Ethereum's been doing good for like holding the line. You can see obviously everybody's drawing the triangle, guys. Just be okay with it. And then they're going to be like, I told you so. Okay. Everybody's drawing the triangle. We're looking to hunt liquidity up at the highs here after the rollover. Okay, so this would be our target for Ethereum is 4,300. Okay, same with Solana, same deal. Right? We look for the rollover. Where's the rollover? Where's the liquidity? Right? I can get rid of all of my etches sketch. I know it drives you guys nuts. What's my ugly charts? Okay, where's liquidity? 210. So looking to get to 210. The Discord got long here. Okay. The Discord got long here, just so you know. This guy's first. Okay. And then we're looking to take this guy here. Then we're talking. But you can see, if you zoom out, you don't have to be a rocket scientist. Okay, guys, look at this. You draw a horizontal here. You draw a horizontal here. Okay. And where's Solana comfortable right now? It's hanging out here, right? This is Solana's happy zone. You see the big chunky volume here? Woo-wee. So we're trying to get above that psychological 200. Make sense? Makes sense. Should make sense. If not, whatever. I'm going back to my 3-minute time frames, guys. You guys... I used to do lots of top-down analysis, and it's just like, for me, I'm here to trade. That's it. You can get the full top-down analysis, key levels, setups, ideas in the Discord. Or you can go watch people who draw lines on charts, man, and don't trade. Those people are really good traders. You guys should definitely go and listen to those guys. Who don't show you their trades, who show you the trades once they've taken the trade and started the live stream. You know those people? Those are the great guys. Those guys are on fire, man. Those guys. We got long here and we're up $10,000, but I took 10 trades to get into this trade. And it's probably an exchange that's giving me the money. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. I get offers from exchanges, and they're like, I'll give you 10 grand to trade with live. Though it's fake money. Don't get it twisted, guys. Don't get it twisted. The exchanges will give people money to trade and show you guys bullshit on their exchanges. Don't get it twisted. Don't be naive to the fact that the exchange will give content creators money to trade live, to show you guys trades that it isn't even their money. Don't get me started, man. Bullshit. Bullshit, man. Don't go and learn from those people. Those guys are... Anyways. Gets me upset, man. Ask Kyle. See? Yes, Kyle, it's exhausting. It's every day. Hey, do you want to work with me? I'll give you this much and trade on this guy. If you use this exchange, we'll give you 10K to trade live with in front of everybody. Yeah, so what? So you can bullshit them? Fuck. Sorry. Makes me fucking pissed, man. Cause I watched it as a new trader. I watched it, man, and no one would say anything. No one would say anything, and I was new to trading, and I blew up like 6-7 accounts, man. You know, my first, you know, eeks me. Anyways, it's Friday. Chill, bro. It's Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. Ooh, USA. Woosah. How long did it take you to become profitable? We talk about the journey a lot, man. So it took me like 7 months to get off of becoming a degen, right? Like that's why I understand people with their 75x leverage showing their P&L cards like absolute wankers. I was one of them. Okay, I was the guy who would take a 50-cent trade and post my P&L card saying I made X amount of percentages. I was that wanker, so I get it. I get it. It's what you're taught here, right? Get rich quick, show your P&L card. It's a fake life kind of deal, right? And I thought that's what you did. I thought that's what I thought you did here, right? But once I started to lower my leverage, manage my risk, trade a strategy over and over again, I compounded a $1,000 account to a $100,000 account in about 9 months. After that, 7 months. And then I went full-time trading. And then I started a Discord after that. The Discord's been around forever. I did not charge for the Discord until last year. I've been trading for over 3.5 years now, so there you go. I was obsessed, though. Let's put it that way. I was obsessed, man. I was obsessed. Looks like we're going to roll over here. SFP for me, just, yeah, there's no long here, guys. There's no long for sure. Coming here at least 110, 300 for all those listening. SFP of the highs coming for that liquidity of that previous zone in there. So for me, it's a little bit of patience right now. We're losing VWAP. No, not yet. So see if VWAP holds. But yeah, I'm definitely more interested down in here at 110.3. Probably get stopped out of this trade. However, I mean, I took the SFP on Donald Trump's tweet this morning. I took profit here, and then I took profit up here, guys. That's why you pay yourselves, okay? Up $430 this morning. Okay, showing you guys the trades, taking the trades, having fun, kicking ass, taking names, all that garbage, okay? It's all fun, man. Good times. Good times, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I'm gonna chuck on some music, and I'm gonna go and hug my son and get some coffee. I don't need to poop and pee. I would tell you if I did. That's how honest we are.
product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Boop, 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 boop. Oh, price hasn't moved. Sorry, I'm adjusting my footstool so my legs don't swing under my chair. Exciting times, guys. All right. Thank you, everybody who stayed. Thank you, everybody who left as well, man. That's always good. People have the patience of a goldfish these days, right? What's going on, Randy? Good to see you. I'm going to send you guys over to Randy Hipper today. Fridays is for Randy. That's it, guys. What's going on, V-Monitor? Good to see you. Everybody in the Discord, would you please remove the backgrounds on your pictures so that I can make the family photo again, okay? Today's the last day. The family photo is due. We are all putting in our family photos. This is the meme. I've asked you to remove your background. How many times, guys? How many times have I asked you to remove your background? Do you need a tutorial? We're doing a live stream today. I'm going to do a tutorial in the Discord on how to remove your background. Okay? French toaster did it. Look. Pretty easy. Pretty easy. Randy, if you want to join, you can send me a picture of you as an otter. It's totally up to you. Make sure it has big poofy, squiggly hair. Make it like Randy Hipper style, you know? Let's go, baby. Be part of the family, man. You're part of the family. You always have been. But we have the family photo where we redo it every ChatGPT or Grok or whatever. We redo the family photo every year. That's going to be the new thing, and you guys make me absolutely grind it out, but that's okay. That's okay. I forgive you guys for making me work hard. So far, this is where we're at. Oh, there's the thumbnails. Here we go. I'll put you far away from Geo even. Geo is right here. I'll put you on this side, okay? Maybe I'll put you near Army Piper. He'll protect you. There's Army Piper. Okay, we got the whole gang in here. All right. Make sure I'm across the world from Geo. We put Dave Digital behind Alexandra G as well. Oh, you gotta have a good laugh, man. You gotta have a good laugh. Chop at the top here, guys. That coffee's good today, man. Oof, needed. The coffee is needed. Still in this long trade, guys. We'll see if there's a potential to add right now. Still making higher lows, trying to continue here. Coming into market open, a little bit of patience. The concern is the SFP, liquidity down below. However, this bullish, man. Look at this. NASDAQ continues to push. Very nice. S&P's going to have a nice gap up. We'll see how that behaves coming into Friday. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel and hanging out. It's always a privilege to serve you guys and help you navigate these charts. And if you are new here, welcome. We're live here every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Scalping, taking trades, showing you the trades, making crypto honest again. Okay, that's what it's all about here. 440 people here, 215 likes. You guys are great, man. Thank you. I do appreciate you. Thank you for supporting the channel. Good Friday. Yeah, that's it, man. Episode 700. Let's go, Randy. Awesome work. That's cool. We'll be sending them to you after. JR, why are you laughing so hard, bro? Are you all right? What are the different styles of your 7 traders? So we have Kyle, who does like momentum volume profiles. We have Smart Money Concepts done by Brewberry. Supply, demand, order blocks, PO3s, Wyckoff. We have HRJ, who does Neo Waves, which is a form of Elliott waves, but it's way better. Signals. CVO does bat patterns, pivot points. Okay. Wave Cipher does a lot of market cipher and JPAL patterns, a whole bunch of stuff. So you're really getting exposure to, like, my goal was to create a Discord where no matter what style you want to trade, you will be catered to if you want to trade like one or the other. Obviously, I will teach you the basics as best as I can. You also get over like 150, 200 videos on how to trade, must videos, trade setups, strategies, general, VWAP, SFP, or Fibonacci order blocks. Just joining for a month and crushing all these videos. If I was new, that's what I would do. If I didn't have money, but I wanted to learn really quickly, that's how I would hack it. And hopefully that you come in, you do that, and you realize how much value there is, that you stay. And if not, that's cool, man. Come here, hang out, talk smack, say good morning. I deleted you? Yeah, I deleted you. Come on, bro. You gonna mess around? Oh, man, too good. Love from India. Thank you for being here, Deepak Shukla. What do you think daily candle will close at? Well, that's for God to decide, man. We love you, JR. That's why. Hi from Dubai. Welcome, Sanjar. Thank you for being here. Coming into market open, 6 minutes, everybody. Guys, what is going on here? You guys do not... Cookie, what are you doing, man? Remove the background. You see? There's no background on these. Put the cookie down. Look, I'm going to delete it from you now. I'm just going to be upset with you. I'm sorry. Trade Intuition, good to see you. AlexOCrypto says, check out my otter. Where is it? You only got 4 minutes here. Where's your otter, Dano? I don't know what remove background means. Go to Adobe. Go background remover. We've given you the link for this. You go in here. You take your picture. Look. Copy. I'll even do it for you right now. I'm going to name it. I'm going to name it For Fuck's Sakes. That's what I'm naming it. Okay? Okay? Go in here. You grab your downloads. It's called For Fuck's Sakes. Where is it? F. There it is. For Fuck's Sakes. See? I got For Fuck's Sakes here. Okay, now we go to the download of For Fuck's Sakes. I'm not doing this for every single one of yours, though. Okay? I've done yours, Cookie. That's love. Okay? Yours is done now. Ta-da! I'll do it with attitude, but I'll still do it because I love you guys. We're talking about practice, bro. We're talking about practice. We're talking about practice, bro. I'm the franchise player, man. And we're talking about practice? Are we talking about practice? But we're talking about practice. Anyways. You guys kill me, man. AlexO, graphic design, no. Can you remove the flatness of Biddy? No, I can't, man. I can't, man. I'm not going to go through 40 otters and remove your backgrounds, okay? It's not happening. It's not happening. I've done one. I did it last time, guys. Ask Kyle. Ask Kyle how long it took us to get through all of that bullshit. Took forever. We probably cropped and edited that video probably 5 times each. Please don't remind me. Yeah, see? One minute, guys. So we're expecting a gap up here for the S&P and then flat because Bitcoin's been flat. little bit of toppy on the NASDAQ here. Solana toppy rolling over. Okay, coming back to the order block first stop. But really, SFP, we're looking to come back for the liquidity down at 188. We'll see if we get that. We did give this level for a buy level last night for the Discord, and obviously Valhalla, because we're Valhalla traders. A little bit of patience here as we come into market open. Let's see how it materializes. We are range bound here, and we are looking to come back down to possibly 109.5, but let's see how it reacts down here at 110.205 if it rolls over. Okay, chop in the WAP is very possible, so let's be aware of that. This is like a no trade zone. You caught the low of Donald or you caught the high of the news data. Now we're in the middle of the range, so we don't trade the hot dog. We do not want to participate in the hot dog zone unless we get clear confirmation of continuation in the direction that we so choose with good risk management, which is never that easy. So we try to avoid trading in the middle of the range. Here we go, baby. Okay, S&P is open. Is it flat? No, it's not flat. Give me the light. Is it way up here? Just give me the light. Send a ball. Somebody give it to. All right, rolling over as expected. Halfway down the candle. Bitcoin flat. Thank you everybody for being here. Market Cipher chopping the bit. So nothing really distinctive on Market Cipher here. 12-minute trigger wave to the downside. Money flow coming out. This is bearish. Okay, so be aware. Bearish divergence across the board after a big SFP. So be patient here. 24-minute looking. Yeah, trigger wave to the downside. Caution on Market Cipher. However, nice inflation push. So let's see how it behaves this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out this morning. Saying good morning is a requirement here, so please say good morning. Thank you for being here. Smacking up like button, subscribing if you're new, all that good stuff. Thank you, guys. Still waiting. Let's go, baby. BTC will go down. Okay. Not bullish, not bearish. Awarish. AlexOCrypto. That's the one. You know it, Alexandra G. You know it. I don't care which way it goes. As long as I can participate with good risk management safely and make money, we're good to go. How can you upload? I'm not going to be a douche canoe. How can you be in the family photo if you're not in the family? That's the one question I was going to ask. Okay. I'm just saying. Preparish. Be awarish and preparish. I like it. Don't be gay and retarded. Yeah, that one too. I mean, we're a 90s family. We're allowed to say gay and retarded in my household. Sorry. My wife's worse than me. She's British, man. She's as dry as they come. Cold and dry. Okay? Except when I'm in the room, if you know what I mean. Anyways. Too far. Never too far with AlexOCrypto. Always just far enough, right? Here's the line. Here's Alex's foot. Always. Okay, chop in here. So no structure change yet. So let's see how it reacts at VWAP here. A little slap here. Very choppy, guys. This is very ugly. We're still on that long from down here, but obviously we got no money on it. I'm just going to close it just for fun here. Here you go. I'm going to close it for fun. Let's trade, guys. Come on, man. We're not going to hold a little $6,000 trade here. We're ready to go. Let's go, baby. God bless you guys for being here and hanging out. Let's see if we can find some trades today. Bitcoin rolling over. I do expect GGs, man, because that is a $460 trade. And I took that only being up for more than like half an hour. So I woke up in half an hour and I made $460. We can do it. You can do it too. Proof in the pudding, man. That's it. Showing the trades, taking the trades, helping you guys find the trades. Good fun. Never financial advice. Just a hobbit here. Hanging out. My hobbit name is T Baggins, if you're wondering. Okay? We'll see how we go. GG's. Let's go, baby. Still waiting. NASDAQ, strong bounce. This is good. Solana coming into the order block looking for a continuation support level here. Possible long opportunity on Sol. I'm not necessarily liking the price action so much on Biddy, but still would like a little lower. Maybe we can SFP and bounce. A little sweep and bounce here on Sol. Bitcoin trying to push here. Downwards momentum could look for like a breaking continuation here, but we want to see the break and then strength. What's ETH doing? Make sure you're always checking your pairs, right? Like ETH is outperforming Bitcoin, Sol is outperforming Bitcoin. Might give you a better tell, right? So, yeah, that's the problem right there. ETH is still coming here. Revisit a previous highs continuation, and then, yeah. Still looks bearish. Trying to slap VWAP here, looking for continuation. Oh my god, what are you doing? Making money. Making money trading is so irresponsible. We'll see, man. The boy is not happy. Yeah, he's got some teeth coming in. He's a bit whiny lately. That's fine, man. He'll get through it, man. I would never want to cut teeth, man. That's why I think you, as a child, you get your teeth when you don't remember, because we all know how I turn into the biggest sissy when I get tooth pain, man. Can you imagine growing teeth? Can you imagine? Oh my god. Oh my god. Just put me to sleep. Wake me up. Could you imagine? I think that's why, God doesn't want you to suffer that much, So he doesn't let you remember that, who knows? But that's horrible, man. Imagine cutting your gums and cutting teeth. Oof. Nice slap here. Oh, Solana, don't you tease us, Solana. Don't you do it, man. Don't you do it. I'm not taking the Solana trade. I prefer here. But don't you do it, Solana. Slap on Biddy. NASDAQ looks good, guys. Oh, are we going to go back to Biddy Confluence in here? Are we still in pretty much... Slap and go? Higher low? Slap and go higher low? It's a trap, guys. It's got to be a trap. This is no... Yeah. It's close. Nah, I don't like it that much. It's been off a little bit lately, guys. The NASDAQ for Biddy. NASDAQ and the pairing, it's been off a little bit. We were talking about that a bit yesterday. There's no reason to force So bearish divergence, triple trigger wave to the downside. Like, this is not something that you're definitely long in right here. This is, yeah, there we go. There's a rollover. Good patience, guys. Here's a rollover SFP of the low here. Good patience on Solana as well. We're looking here first. ETH looks nasty. That's what kind of, yeah, ETH looks like it needs to come in here. Whenever you see imbalance, right? The imbalance is here, so where are you coming at minimum? You can go impulse fib with swing low to swing high here now. You see golden pocket 786. I'd be preferring the 786 here, guys. Not the golden pocket, because you typically go off of this high here. So you can raise the bar a little bit in here. Oof, and you can look for that retest rate in there. Erythrium. Not that I traded Erythrium. Erythrium's horrible. Don't trade. Don't trade ETH. If there's something you do not want to touch, it's ETH, okay? Vitalik Buterin, he's always in a schlong, and he'll definitely wreck you. Okay? He front runs levels. He chops, and then he goes wherever the hell he wants. Rolling over here. Good patience here. Good call on the SFP. A little bit of patience. Who's short? Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long like Donkey Kong from yesterday. Buying that Asia dip. I love to celebrate your guys' wins too, man. If you're winning and you're doing well, love to recognize you. We got 47% of you guys up this week. God bless you guys. Normally this is around 40%, so that's a little bit higher than normal. Good job, everybody. And if you are lying, you should probably check yourself because, honest self-appraisal is the key to good trading. You must be able to look at yourself objectively and say, what am I doing wrong? Where am I trading weak? How can I be better? That is your job as a trader, is to be objective. Look at yourself in the mirror and say, hey, man, you're a bad trader on Mondays, which I am. I'm aware of my Monday trading. It's bad. Okay. I had another bad Monday this week. I think I was down 1,200 this Monday. I'm up nice this week. Okay. I'm up nice this week. I'm up like, I don't even want to tell you guys. I'm up really good this week. But I had a bad Monday because I know Mondays, I Steve Ruggles a little bit Mondays, guys. I'm not going to lie. Trade really well on the live, but Monday afternoon, shit the bed. Okay. But, I manage my risk. I take good trades. I suck at trading Mondays. I'm working on it. Okay. It's Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for being on the live and smacking up those like buttons, hanging out. Nice roll over here. Good job on the shorts, everybody. Good job on the shorts. 2 from the SFP. Nice crypto vol. Catching the wiggity. Good job, everybody. Make sure you pay yourselves. If you are making money, guess what? You're one of the 10% of people who make money. Okay, so keep it going. Manage your risk. There will be down days. You got to be a good loser in this. That's the key. If you're not a good loser, you're going to be a very, very, very sad winner. I promise you that. Magic. Who would have thought I could cut out a thumbnail in 2 minutes before market open? Who would have thought? NASDAQ, double top, SFP, looks to roll over. SPY, looking strong. Solana, rolling over. Pretty flaccid here. ETH rolling over, needs to come lower. Bitcoin rolling over. Overextended at the top, bearish divergence. Trigger wave playing out. Now we get... now we have the possibility to push here. Possibility to push here in the next 5 minutes. How do I know that? I'm not going to tell you. Can't tell you all my secrets. Below VWAP need to reclaim. Still waiting here. So you can look for VWAP retest continuation down. Not something that I'm really excited about. You can look for a short here at 111. I don't typically trade VWAP on Solana. Solana, all you need is support and resistance, guys. That's the Discord. XRP is pumping because some whales need exit liquidity. XRP is going. Virtual is pumping too, man. 14% on virtual. Let's go, baby. We hold some virtual. XRP is climbing. Yeah, it's ugly. Ugly. What else do you got here? Jupiter's up 4%. Yeah, some decent pumps in here, but nothing. Yeah, whatever. Bitcoin needs to come down. 110.1. 110.1. Rolling. Nice roll over here. Trapping late longs. Good patience here. I think, another thing too is as a trader, you should celebrate a good loss, right? Like if you take a proper trade setup and it's a high probability trade setup and you take the L, You take the L with good risk management. That's probably your best trade of the day. You need to respect the craft. If you have a 70% win rate, 30% of the time, you're wrong. If you can do this 30% correctly, you can make lots of money here. Tons of money. But nobody knows how to do this part. Everybody knows how to do this. Show me their P&L cards. Winner's wall. Look at me go. That's the easy part. Don't be a coin flipper. Compound the account. Change your life. It's up to you. No trade here. Nice wick test here. Nice wick test continuation down. NASDAQ. All right. All right, NASDAQ. Calm down. Coming down for the SFP right now. Sol coming down here. So this is no trade zone on Sol, so we look for Sol to find support down here. Could come for this previous day pivot here. 110. 110's on the radar. That would make more sense. Like, we do have this little order block in here, but that would make more sense in here. SFP 110. Yeah, I'm going to adjust that a little bit. I'm looking a little bit lower here, especially those in the Discord. 110. Psychological level, obviously. Money's coming out pretty hard here on Market Cipher. 24. Yeah, same deal. All coming out. Rolling over. Bearish divergence. Returning to where? Where it typically started. 109.5. First stop's 110. You can tell by the way it's rolling over that buyers are stepping in. So people are longing this right now. For sure. People are longing this. It's taking its time. And then the market maker will just go. Okay. You do not long into something that's going down slow and methodical. You do not long something like that. You wait for the go. You wait for that. You wait for that. You do not long something that's danger. That's buying weakness, right? You only sell weakness. You buy strength. What is strength? Boing, right? You buy strength. Okay, especially as a scalper, this is, you don't touch this. Right? It's just like you don't touch chop, like you don't touch, guys, you want to talk about chop the wop. What about that one day, right? What about Wednesday, guys? Did we touch this Discord? No. We waited for this guy. Guess what? We all got long down here to Valhalla. We did not touch this here. Okay. NASDAQ flat. SPY's continuing to push. Little push back here. Late shorts. Late shorts. Reckon late shorts. Patience. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out. Volume picked up and then slowed right down, guys. It's interesting. Volume picked up to push this down, and then now it's, yeah, it's chop. Market open's been very interesting lately, guys. Very, very kind of scam jam, in my opinion, but losing orb right now. Ray orb is in. Break it down now. Looking for a reclaim of orb. Continuation trade. Losing orb. Breakdown, retest. Breakdown, retest, continuation down. Nice rollover this morning, everybody. This is good. Everybody getting their like hopium slippers out this morning. We've been actually very patient this morning. We took the long here. No short, but that's fine. I mean, are you going to short this into market open? Not necessarily, guys. It's not really a... we did have the bearish divergence throughout, but you don't want to sell into this strength. So it's a good wait. That's just good patience, I think. So good job, everybody. Congratulate yourself if you're patient, or if you did take the momentum through VWAP short. I think that would be the only setup short, is you push through VWAP, you retest it, and then you continue down here. Very overextended here on market cipher to the downside, looking for a pop back. Okay, bull divs coming in, 12-minute, trying to push. This was our first buy level, remember that? Okay, so we had this green box was up here, remember, guys? Coming into this little bit of liquidity down here was our first stop. We'll see how it behaves. Still patience here, no trade. Showing you guys the trades, taking the trades every single day. We're up $450 this morning. Okay, we'll see how it behaves. Making crypto honest again, that's the goal. XRP is rolling over. Sol's down here. Okay. Good. Yeah. Good patience on Sol. No sign of a reversal yet. Where's ETH coming, guys? Where's ETH coming? Who would have thought, eh? I don't know, man. I've been watching these charts too long. Sometimes I wonder. You think one day, like, I'll be able to upload my brain onto, like, a hard drive or something? And then it can just... And then I can run, like, a 24-hour stream, and it can just tell you what it's thinking about the price action? You think that that's going to happen one day, no? I'm just going to be able to upload this thing onto this thing, put on the live stream, put an AI bot on here, and he's just going to talk you through price action as I see it. The world's fucked, isn't it? That's crazy. It's going to happen, no? That's crazy. That's crazy, man. I don't know if it knows how to... I'd be demonetized so fast the AI bot would be swearing and cursing and telling dirty jokes and stuff. It would just glitch and tell you like a raunchy story of me in high school or something, you know? Wasn't meant to share that. Oh, man. Uptober, it's over. Uptober, it's over. Good strength coming in here. I like this. Guys, if this is spot on, I'm gonna laugh so hard. I should just start drawing treasure maps, man. You know, like gotta put a little mountain in there. Here's your pond. Here's your ship. Right? X marks the spot, guys. Can you find it? Cha-ching, cha-ching. Good candle here. Still no trade. Overextended, right? Overextended coming into key levels. Trying to bounce. We'll see how it goes. Potential V-shaped recovery, guys. No trade yet. Still waiting. 5 seconds on the candle. I could have bought this rules-based. I could have bought this, but I'm not. Halfway down the candle. Halfway down the candle wick test. Still no trade. Got 3 minutes left on this candle. Let's not be too hasty. If it does want to pop off here, I don't mind missing it. I don't mind missing it. Some of you guys probably long already. That's totally up to you. This is never financial advice. We just hanging out, man. Put a 1 in the chat if you long that. I want to know who's long off that candle. X marks the spot. You guys are long. If we go on the 32nd here, there's definitely a cup and handle. Definitely, guys. You guys stop taking the piss, man. Retest the previous lows. That's why you don't long it here, guys. Coming into this guy here, in my opinion. It's too risque. You got retest to previous lows. You got VWAP here. Where do you think you're gonna get stopped? Okay, V-shaped recovery, trying to bounce here, overextended to the downside. On market side, for looking to push up. We'll see how it reacts into this area. For me, I would rather see it slap, come back down, retest, and then go. If it wants to V-shaped recovery, cool days through VWAP, retest VWAP, continuation out. Break of orb, continuation out. We need to reclaim VWAP and orb before we get too excited here. We're at the top. This is the top. Have we grabbed enough liquidity? Remember we said we wanted to come to 109.5, but maybe it's up only now, guys. Solana looking strong. Okay. Front running our buy level. Bitcoin looking strong as well. A little patience in here. 12-minute rollover is almost cooked, almost down. 24 still says room to the downside. Trigger, trigger, trigger. Caution. No trade here. I think we're going to start doing live trading in the Discord after the live stream. I think that's going to be the new thing. So we're going to end the show, and then we're going to keep trading for like half an hour. Because I get some banger trades right after the live stream a lot of the time. And I think I'm just going to do that with the Discord. I think that's what we'll start doing. Guys, it's Friday, man. It's been a pleasure this week, guys. It's been so much fun. You guys are absolutely incredible. We're going to send you over to Randy Hipper. We're going to update the Discord. We got a live on the Discord today. It's going to be an awesome Discord live. God bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Hanging out here. Pump, dump. We'll see where it goes. Thank you guys for being here. I will see you guys next week. And I'll see you guys in the Discord. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And have a great weekend. Touch some grass. Touch some ass. Whatever you're into. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.